Let's go.
What? Now it's recording.
Recording, sir. It's already rolling now.
So where do you post?
I have a Facebook page.
Oh, okay.
You want to follow me, sir?
Yeah, of course. Because I see some videos of in Bangkok, Thailand. Like this.
You? Your English is so good, sir, huh? Okay. My English is so not really good.
No, well,
But I'm trying to...
bro, better than me.
But I'm trying to communicate to you, to understand me.
No. Well, it's perfect. I really tell you.
What country you are, sir? From?
Syria.
Syria.
Yeah, Kuwait.
Syria and Kuwait.
Same.
How long you been here in Philippines, sir? Yeah, boy.
2 years, almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years. Do you have a work here?
No, student.
Student?
Yes.
What course?
Medicine.
Medicine. Doctor. Nice. Do you have a family, sir? Here in Philippines?
No, I have 4 wives. No, I'm joking.
4 wives.
But yeah, I wish I have 4 wives.
If you have 4 wives here in Philippines,
Yeah.
sana all.
Sana all.
Oh.
Like, very good for you, yeah?
Ah. Do you know speak Tagalog, sir?
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Yes.
Alright. What is guwapo ako in Tagalog, sir?
You are guapo.
Me, ha? You also. Are you Muslim, sir?
Yes, sir.
I have bayaw. You know bayaw in Tagalog?
Ayaw?
Mm.
What?
You have a sister.
Yeah.
And then they have a husband.
Yeah.
That is bayaw in Philippines.
Is Muslim?
Muslim, sir. Yeah. I love Muslim. In my high school life, almost my friend is Muslim. Yeah, sir.
Why? What is it?
Because they are so loyal in their friends.
Wow.
They protect you if you are bullying others.
That's good, thank God.
But my religion is Christian.
Yeah. Sure. We are all brothers, yeah?
Yeah, we're all brothers. Are you going to duty, sir?
No, you know Eid? Yeah. Yeah, today. Because after Ramadan, Yeah,
after Ramadan.
we have Eid al-Adha.
Eid Hill.
Eid al-Adha. And today is the birthday. So, I tell you, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Yeah, whenever you
Yeah.
see an Arab or Muslim, just say Eid Mubarak.
It's kind of celebration.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. Okay.
Like happy Eid.
Later, sir, my nose is bleeding.
Why?
Because here in Philippines, if you don't know how to speak in English, your nose is bleeding.
Really? That's a known thing here, yeah?
Yeah. Good for you, You are good in English.
Well, I see you are perfect. You don't...
Not really. I'm just trying to...
Yeah, that's enough. It's not your best language, so it's fine.
Yeah. That's right.
It's good that you try.
How old are you, sir?
Oh, this is a tricky question.
Tricky question. Why?
You guess. Yeah. But don't...
24? Yeah! Because that, I have a tip for you later.
Now I really...
Exactly.
believing that you have a Muslim friend.
Yeah.
We all have dreams and they look young, yeah?
Pops.
Oh my God.
Shout out, my friend.
Okay, kamusta Litan?
What's your name?
My name is Yani.
Shout out to Yanni.
Yeah.
The best in the Philippines.
Okay.
Shout out lang. Direct lang.
Ah, dyan. Yung 5K namin, bigay nyo na. Ang hirap mag-English. Ingat, Pops.
I want to show you my son. You say how he is good for me.
Yan. Yan lang, sir.
Yeah.
How old is he?
2 years.
Oh, that is boy?
Yeah.
Wow, nice bike. Nice bike.
Nice one, yeah.
What CC? Can you... Alright, sir. Nice bike. It looks like Enduro.
Yeah, good.
Enduro, ah.
I love it.
Yeah. So, very smooth
Yes.
in the rough road.
Yes, yes, really. On if there was anything on the
Yeah.
Find it.
400.
Yes.
50.
Oh, thank you.
Is it okay, sir? Yeah, I have a tip. Wait, sir, I have my helmet.
I was taking the helmet. Oh my.
Oh, you almost forgot, huh? Souvenir.
Souvenir, souvenir.
Keep safe, sir. Thank you. Sir, wait. You got my Facebook page.
Oh yes, yes, your Facebook. Can you?
This one, sir.
What?
Watch our video, sir, huh?
Yeah, I will share it also.
Okay, thank you, sir. Go ahead. Eh? 24, huh? You're still young.